Why hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today is Tell Aunt Rhody playthrough on viola. Alright? I'm still in my gray, themed. Check the lyrics if you don't know why. Here we go. Instrument up. Again, straight wrist. Pinky on your bow. Best position. Here we go. So here's going to be our slow performance speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do our fast performance speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's it. So if you can get your speed to be both slow and fast and choose somewhere in between, you'll be ready for your recital performance. All right, see you next time.